Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to pull a winning Harley ticket for a Super Flag Custom. My name's John Denver, and a little later, Kirk and I are going to play a bluesy version of Rocky Mountain High. He knows it. He knows it. Here we go.
Dig deep.
Dig deep. Go Kirk. Go Kirk.
It's good.
Martin Matthews, Mesquite, Texas. So good.
Texas.
Tejas. Tejas did it. Now let me give it to this lady here. It's 915. Yeah.
Texas.
Yeah, they get the World Series and
There.
gosh. They're not answering. Oh. Going to their voicemail.
Okay.
Mr. Matthews, this is Joy Nee with the Aztec Boys and Girls Club. Just wanted to let you know you have just won our early bird drawing for the Harley-Davidson motorcycle. If you could give us a call at 1-800-461-1238. Thank you.